So up the back.
Yeah, these physical and natural evidence and arguments are very well known since
Beginning of time almost. Yeah.
yeah, and why science seems to go in a separate direction from God awareness.
Yeah, well, that's probably something we need to talk about tomorrow,
Okay.
isn't it? Because you're dead right. There is this really strong tendency on Earth to try to find other explanations for what seems to be an obvious explanation. And there are big, deep emotional reasons why a person would choose to do that. And if you think about it for a moment, if I go along in my life believing there's no God, what does that mean for me? I'm my own lawmaker, aren't I? I can choose to do anything I want. There's no arbitration force governing my life. There's no law governing my life. I can choose to do what I wish. But if I accept there is a God, what now is possibly something I need to consider? If we just there.
You need to set your pride aside.
Sorry,
You need to set your pride aside.
You do, but why do I need to?
Because you need to be humble.
Well, but why do I need to be humble?
To receive God's love.
Yeah, but I'm talking about this subject, not receiving God's love yet. So Charlotte, if we go Charlotte.
You have to accept that your behavior has consequences.
Yeah, potentially. I don't know for certain, but at this stage, do I? Because I still haven't contemplated how it may. But if there is a lawmaker and a lawgiver and a creator, then perhaps I need to consider how my life is being led. And perhaps I need to start looking at whether I am my own lawmaker or actually there is a larger lawmaker that may govern a lot of my life. Now, can you see, if I don't like to be governed by other things, I'm going to have some very strong emotional reasons for not accepting that there is a lawmaker. Right? So, as Mary said earlier, when you come from Australia, most of them go, there is a law, but not for me. It's like most Australians are pretty lawless, and it comes from the fact that many Australians came from England and were you could say excommunicated from English society and put into Australia as a penal or punishment colony. And as a result of that, there is this underlying feeling of I'm anti-authority. Now, if I have a feeling that I'm anti-authority and I should be my own authority, can you see I've got some very strong emotional reasons for not accepting that there's a bigger lawmaker? It's very strong. Yeah. If you go up the back there.
Yeah,